What's going on, everybody? Show 3.4 here, bringing you another vlog. I always start out by saying today has been long overdue, and I'm tired of saying that, but I have to say today, what we're doing today is long overdue. We are finally polishing, paint correcting, clay barring the truck. It's pretty bad. I mean, it's not like horrible, but it's pretty bad. It's pretty bad. It's pretty bad. So I've never done it since I've owned it. Ryan's already got started because we've had a late start to this day, to this today. But
that's an understatement.
I'm actually pretty excited. Nate's here.
All that came off the paint.
Holy.
Yeah.
Wow, and those swirls. Oh, I can't wait to get those out.
They'll come out.
Look at that. This is a little before for you guys.
Where'd your guys' dad go?
Let me get some befores here. We just started. As you can see, all this, like all the swirls. There we go, focused. All the crap. There's Nate's car. But anyway, yeah, I've owned this truck for like 2.5 years, almost 3 years, and it's never been paint corrected or polished. There's a lot of swirls and marks in it. Like up here, I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me get to focus. There we go. Some scratches right there. I don't know what those are from. There's some in the back. There's something in the back. Oh, right there. Some scratches. So there's a lot of little scratches that hopefully can be taken out. Ryan's kind of my detailing guy. I don't know jack about detailing. So.
It's not like it's a... To get really good at it, yeah, it takes some talent, some skill, some know-how, but do the basic stuff, anybody can do it.
Alright, so I did already wash it today. I didn't record that because I just was washing it. So we already clay barred that side. I'm clay barring this side of it, and we're gonna save the front till we swap the truck around and bring it in. So now that I'm clay barring this, he's working on the tailgate already. So we're just gonna keep trucking along. So for the clay bar kit, just MIG wires. Yeah, I don't even know where the box is. Oh, it's right there. MIG wires, clay kit. You can get this literally anywhere. O'Reilly's, AutoZone, stuff like that. Pretty much all this stuff. Oh, except the Adams stuff. Adams heavy compound, finishing polish. Again? What is this? What are we doing right now?
This is just correcting compound on here. The first I use a heavy cut because there's a lot of scratches in this to get through it quicker. And then the correcting compound is taking out just all the buffer haze left behind really nicely. So, and then after that, do it around finishing polish. I can't think of the word. The finishing polish over top, it'll get a real nice shine.
Okay, so now what's next?
Finishing polish.
These things smell so good.
They smell okay, I guess.
Chuck's gonna smell like a girl going past people. Can already see the difference from this side to that side.
Well, let's do this here. Go from like that's kind of hard to see, I guess. If you just kind of like shine the light here and then go off this and then go to like this corner here, so you can see the light there, the way it looks. I don't know if it's showing up on camera or not. And you go down here, you look at the light.
Oh yeah.
It's actually gonna show the flake a lot more on the paint now.
Oh yeah.
Because you don't have so many swirls.
So we just did the tailgate. It's really hard to tell on camera. I'm gonna try and get the difference.
Just a lot of work.
See how like the sun shows up all those little swirls? It's hard to tell on here.
Yeah, it looks wet.
Yeah, it really does look wet. And they're like really clear to see.
It's gonna be harder for you to, it's gonna be harder to see the paint color. I would say it's gonna be harder to see the paint color, but you're gonna see more reflection out of it now than you are
Yeah.
to see the dull paint color.
Okay, it's my turn to try now.
Step one, don't screw it up.
All right, that's pretty hard.
When you're putting compound on here, put like about four. That's about that size.
Okay.
Like pea size kind of. And this pad's a little bit dry, so I'm gonna rub it in a little bit more. So on this, I'm gonna have it set on about 5 for speed wise. Now what you're gonna do is, you see how I was going, I'd go in a row like this, back and forth, and then you go up and down after that. So start up like, you can work on this here, but start when you first like practice.
Here?
Kind of start like from this line down on a flat start and go probably about this area here.
Okay.
Like that.
All right, guys, so I spent about 20 or so minutes doing this. I still gotta do, what's step 3 for this?
Finishing polish.
Still gotta do a finishing polish on the box side. But look at the difference from the box side to the cab. Holy cow. That's nuts. Okay, so I've done half of this side of the box, and I still got some swirl marks.
It's not a huge deal.
It's not a lot, but it's really kind of impossible to pick up on camera, but you can still see some residue. I don't know, I'm gonna go over it again, see if I can get it out. Okay guys, so it's been, when did we start this?
I honestly don't know.
4:30 or 5, and it's, I know I look like an idiot. It's 7:30 almost, and we are just now done with the box. So now I'm gonna start hitting the doors and go from there. Okay, so on this door, I'm going to try and just use, we're not gonna use what? I can't think of these names.
The microfiber pad.
We're not gonna use the microfiber
It's
pad.
a little bit less aggressive because these doors aren't quite as bad as back there.
What do you think? Think that did enough? This is, I kind of stopped there.
It looks like, where'd you hit right here?
Pretty much, yeah, the top of the door. Then I did all the way around the window, but
Better. But it could use more.
could you up the speed and it'd be good? Or still you just do the old, how we were doing it? So we are now going to, that didn't really do as much as we wanted to. So we're gonna use a new pad with the heavy correcting compound, and then still probably go back to correcting polish and go from there. All right guys, so it's been about another half hour or so, and just been chugging along more. I got the other door done. I'm working on this door. I've only done the heavy compound so far on this side, and you can see a difference. So she's coming. Oh, you can. I can see it. She's looking like a frickin' mirror, though. So far, still gotta wash it, but okay, guys. So it's day like day 5, but only day. Yeah, it's only day 3 of polishing, but we've kind of sprawled it out through the week. So what you guys last saw, I think, was me going to that rear door, and then I did the front 2 doors, and I did this fender over here. So today, which we are going to finish today, is the hood and the passenger side fender. I'm not going to do the grill or the bumper. And I mean, I kind of showed you the process of doing all the other polishing. We're doing the polishing of the rest of the truck with the box side and the doors and everything like that. So I'm not going to record the other two because it's the exact same process. And then we'll kind of do a video of the aftermath and kind of what we went through. All right, guys, so I got one more spot to do on the hood. Hood's turning out pretty good. Sorry, my light's kind of... All right, so it has been, not gonna lie, it's been like a week since I've made this, the last clip of this video. I don't have the right stuff to like wash a vehicle. I was always using some old mitt with some junk towels because my paint was always bad. I never really cared about it. Now that obviously I just paint corrected the truck and polished it and waxed it and everything, I had to go out and buy stuff, and I never got the good chance to do that. Now I did, and I went out and bought some microfiber towels, microfiber wash mitt, some McGuire stuff, and some others, wash, wax, all that kind of stuff. And here is what the truck looks like, all cleaned up. Obviously, it's 8 years old. It's got like almost 140,000 on it. Dude, these kids in my neighborhood have been screaming in the pool for the past 3 hours, and it's making me go insane. Anyways, this paint's 8 years old, and it's got 140,000 miles on it. So like, it's still not perfect. It's still got scratches that are not gonna come out. But we did it pretty much as best we could, and I'd still say it looks great. Now, we didn't do the front bumper, and I have a nice birthmark there, so just disregard that. Didn't do the front bumper, so you can kind of tell the difference of like how much smoother this looks compared to the front bumper. And I don't know if I told you guys, I did get into a mini accident in Florida, and I hit somebody's hitch, and it messed up the whole front end. So I'm getting the front end, actually going to be converting it to a new front end. But that's a later story. So we didn't mess with the front bumper or the grill, and we didn't mess with the rear bumper because, as you can see, it's also peeling, and it's the rear bumper's in pretty bad shape, honestly. I got hit here a year ago, so we didn't mess with the rear bumper. But I'm sorry, this video might be really long. I don't know yet, but I'm just in love with how it looks, and it was a need. So hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next vlog.